Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. I've got something really cool to review for you. Tile guys, bathroom remodelers like myself, I'm a contractor. I install tile, I remodel bathrooms. When you remodel bathrooms and remodel showers, you're working in small spaces, so you want small vacuums. You don't want a big 10-gallon shop vac. You want something compact, something cordless. And recently DeWalt has come out with something just like that. This is not only a vacuum, but it's also a dust extractor. I've been using this the last couple of days on our current shower remodel, and I am loving it. I'll show you some clips on that momentarily, but first, let's show you the unit, show you the attachments, and then we'll run those clips. So here it is. Accessories here. You have a crevice nozzle. We have not used this yet. It includes a round brush as well as a gulper brush. We use the flexible hose quite a bit, attached with the unit here as an extractor. Using this, extracting drywall dust using a multi-tool. We connected this to a circular saw and cut different types of material from 2x4s to foam, and we'll show you that in just a minute. And we also use this wand quite a bit. It attaches very quick and easy. It gets in tight spaces. And of course, you can attach your floor nozzle, which is very flexible. And I gotta say, for such a small unit, this little guy is very powerful. We used our Power Stack 2-amp battery. Got about 20 minutes out of this. Bright LED light. Quick and easy way to release your chamber here to get rid of your dust and debris. You have a HEPA filter, which is washable. And then simply reconnect. Here is your belt clip, which you will clip to your belt when you're using this as an extractor. This will be our go-to for an extractor, as well as a go-to for all dry vacuum applications. We're not gonna run it with the 2-amp battery. We found that it gets quite a bit of life with a 6-amp or 9-amp. About 40-50 minutes. Without further ado, let's run some clips of this in action. The new DeWalt Handheld will show you how powerful this little bad boy is. We'll use this on site for the next few days. HEPA filter, lots of attachments. Here we go. Release button here. A couple other cool features on this, the hose. I love it. It stretches up to 5 feet. And again, this thing's super lightweight. Belt hook here for this particular reason. Hook it to your belt. And then you can use this as an extractor to extract any kind of dust or debris. So we're gonna cut this drywall right here so that it is plumb. Have my multi-tool here, have my extractor here. Again, it's really light on the belt. Long hose. This will help with grinder cuts, multi-tool cuts. We're gonna attach this to our skill saw. And this thing feels like it's a little more powerful than DCV580H. And also the hose stretches a lot more. This stretches about 3 feet. This here is a lot more useful for your dry vacuum applications than this shop vac. So we're using this as an extractor hooked up to our skill saw. We're gonna cut out for the niche on this back wall. This thing is an excellent dust extractor. Well, there you have it, folks. A very compact, powerful little vacuum that you can use as a vacuum or a dust extractor with the clip attached to your belt and the hose extracting your dust and debris. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.